if you're watching the news, nakakatakot, no? Maraming balitang mawawalan ng trabaho, and that's true. Hey everyone, welcome to Vener AI Podcast. So ito yung ating first episode, and the goal for today sa ating unang episode is just to discuss kung ano yung expectation, ano yung aabangan nyo on our podcast, bakit natin to ginagawa, and ultimately, what's the goal? No, because there's a lot of podcast out there, especially here in the UAE. Marami na tayong content creators dito, marami ng podcast, marami na kayong napapanood in the community, pero walang masyadong content o wala masyadong information about AI. And alam naman natin kung gaano kaimportante ang adaptation ng AI ngayon, no, sa mundo ng business, even personal lives apektado na ng AI. So the goal is to elevate, of course, yung knowledge nating mga Filipinos about AI, technology as a whole, hindi lang AI, kasi maraming kadugtong ang AI, ano, hindi lang siya basta nakafocus dun sa isang component ng technology na yon. So ang goal natin is pag-usapan natin paano natin i-adapt, no, itong technology na to. Maraming nagbabago sa mundo. So paano natin i-leverage yung AI in both personal, no, and business, and ang pinaka-importante lalo sa atin mga kababayan na nasa ibang bansa is sa trabaho. Paano natin i-leverage yung AI sa daily task natin, no? Kasi nga if you're watching the news, no, kung pinapanood mo yung mga balita about AI, nakakatakot, no? Maraming balitang mawawalan ng trabaho, and that's true, no? Kung titingnan mo ngayon, even sa mga tech companies, malalaking company around the world, talagang nagtatanggal na sila ng mga trabahong repetitive, yung mga tasks, no, yung mga anything na pwedeng i-automate, tinatanggal na ngayon ng mga malalaking companies, because simple lang business is all about efficiency, no, making sure na yung bottom line ng mga kumpanya is protected, meaning kumikita yung kumpanya, and bumababa yung cost, no, and sadly yung trabaho, yung sweldo is part ng cost, right? So paano natin mali-leverage yung AI, especially kung tayo ay employed. So isa yan sa focus ng ating podcast, and of course importante din na matutunan natin kung paano natin i-adapt ang AI sa business. Kung ikaw ay entrepreneur, no, whether you're a large corporation or an SMEs, lahat 'yan apektado na ng AI, no? And there are categories of tasks, no, na affected ng AI or magbe-benefit ang mga companies using AI. So our podcast will be published weekly. That's the target, para updated tayo sa mga news about AI, what's the latest updates on different technologies, no? Ano ba yung mga terminologies na kailangan nating pag-aralan, especially dun sa mga kababayan natin na talagang wala pang masyadong knowledge about AI. Ano-ano yung mga kailangan nating matutunan. These are fundamentals po, hindi ito masyadong ang tawag dito, hindi ito technical. These are foundational knowledge, no? Importanteng alam natin yung mga fundamentals na yan, basic information about AI, para alam natin kung paano natin i-adapt. And kahit hindi ka techie, kahit hindi ka marunong mag-computer, maaapektuhan ka ng AI. So importanteng aralin natin, ano? So isa yan sa goal ng ating podcast yung ma-educate natin ang ating mga kababayan about this technology. And then pag-uusapan din natin yung mga latest news, no? Ano yung mga improvements na on the technology, ano yung mga maaapektuhan ng industry. Importanteng updated tayo diyan para napapaghandaan natin, and of course, yung mga tools. Ano-ano yung mga pwede nating gamitin? Ano-ano yung pwede nating i-leverage na mga AI tools para nang sa ganon ma-elevate yung ating mga activities. For example, if you're a self-employed, for example, you're an engineer or you're a doctor, you have your own business, paano mo magagamit yung AI on your profession or in your services? Kung meron ka namang product-based na business, for example, you're selling something online, ano-ano yung mga tools na pwede mong i-leverage to level up, no? Para mas maraming benta yung negosyo. And kung empleyado, again, ano-ano yung mga tools na pwede mong siguro i-present sa company so that the company can adapt those technologies. That way, magkaroon ng additional value yung department mo or ma-promote ka with that suggestions or initiative, no? So yun yung mga itatakal natin in our show, and then of course matutunan natin kung paano mag-start din ng business, no? Whether i-add mo lang siya on your existing business or you can start your own. Kung updated kayo on OpenAI. OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT, and si Sam Altman, he's the CEO of OpenAI. Sinabi niya na in the near future magkakaroon na ng mga one-man corporation or yung single person corporation na makakapag produce ng billion of dollars na revenue. Meaning, yung mga kumpanya na dati kailangan ng 100, 1,000 employees bago makarating dun sa billion-dollar revenue, posible na ngayon with just one person. Bakit? Because of AI. No? Ang isa sa pinaka exciting na technology for me about regarding AI or development ng AI is yung tinatawag na AI agents. No, and there's a lot of AI agents. Again, pag-uusapan din natin. I'm not going to discuss that in depth sa episode na to, pero pag-uusapan natin ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng chatbots, yung mga traditional chatbots sa AI chatbots, sa LLM-based chatbots, and yung mga tinatawag na AI agents, no? Kasi confusing yan sa mga normal na user katulad ko, katulad natin, nakakalito kung paano ba natin i-leverage yung mga technology na yun. Ano ba ang mga use cases nung mga different AIs na yan, no? So yun yung mga i-expect natin sa show natin. It's going to be very very practical, and every episode we are going to provide or give you free resources na pwede ninyo agad magamit, such as most of the time it's going to be prompts, no? A set of prompts na pwede ninyong magamit sa inyong mga trabaho or negosyo or even sa personal lives ninyo, no? Magagamit niyo yung mga practical and very simple prompts na yan na ipamimigay natin every episode, no? So ida-download niyo lang yan. We're going to give you the links, and of course lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, lahat ng mga magiging viewers natin in the next and upcoming episodes natin, all of you, I'm going to invite you to join yung ginawa kong community. I'm going to show you the links sa show notes. Ilalabas din namin yung mga QR codes na you can just simply scan and it will redirect you dun sa ating AI community. It's a free community kung saan dun ko inilalagay lahat ng mga free trainings, no, downloadable resources na pwede ninyong magamit, mga quick tutorials and free na prompts, no? Because nowadays, I think a couple of years, no, nung o 3 years ago na nung lumabas yung AI, nauso yung tinatawag na prompting or prompt engineering, and that's the most important skill na dapat matutunan ng kahit sino, because that's the only way na gagamitin natin to talk to AI, no? Prompting or prompt engineering. There's a lot of different or iba't ibang ways to prompt or to talk to AI, but the foundation of that is prompt engineering, no? So pag-uusapan din natin 'yan. We are going to make sure na hindi siya technical, no, pag tinuturo natin, pag gumawa tayo ng mga episode na focusing on training and workshops, we'll make sure na it's simple, kayang sundan kahit hindi kayo techie, because again, the goal is to educate each and every Filipinos to adapt AI and use AI para sa paglago ng ating pamumuhay. Okay, so that's it for this episode. It's going to be short and sweet, but abangan nyo yung ating susunod na episode, because in there I'm going to discuss yung mga adaptations, no? Ano yung process on adapting AI, both personal, yun, individual basis, paano i-adapt ng empleyado, paano i-adapt ng professionals, paano i-adapt ng mga entrepreneurs, businesses and large corporations. So may process yung adaptation ng AI, and there's a lot of large companies na nag-a-adapt na ng AI simply because they have the funds. Pero paano naman yung mga nagsisimula? Paano kung small business yung itinayo mo, or startup ka pa lang, no? And you don't have the budget to spend on training your own model, gumamit ng powerful na mga LLMs. Paano mo siya i-adapt? So yan yung mga sasagutin natin on our next episodes. And that's it for our first episode. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Vener AI. Again, keep learning, keep adapting, and embrace AI so that we are going to have a brighter future ahead of us. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye for now.